Detroit Coney dog taste test. We're at, is this American Coney dog? We're at the, American Coney dog. I know, I didn't see that. Then after we eat a chili dog here, we're gonna go next door and go to Layfette Coney dog. Then me and my mom are gonna see which one tastes better. And then we're gonna throw up. Because we still gotta go get meat pies from Ackroyd's.
You're gonna throw up.
I always throw up.
I'm only having one of each, not a combo.
Take your first bite of the American Coney dog. I shall take my first bite of this one. How's your hot dog? Not used to the thick skins. Very good though. The last bite of the American Coney dog.
Oh my god.
It's all very undercover secret stuff we're doing. It's like that guy right there. Okay, I'm going to tabulate my mental scores. You tabulating your mental scores? You're just eating a hot dog.
I'm trying to think what I would rate this. I'm thinking about a 7.
Yeah, about a good 7 is right. Good 7, 7.5. Not used to the thick skin, but I kind of like it. Like how it pops. You know, the juicy meat. Like this guy right here. Not Detroit. Now we're at Layfette Coney Island, right next door to American. We're gonna get another hot dog. We're gonna eat that one. It has to beat a 7.5. Think it'll beat a 7.5?
Yes, I do.
Think so?
Honestly, yes, I do.
It smells really good in here.
Yes, it does. That's why I do it.
The other place is more marketable though. This place is kind of to the point, very Detroit.
To the point.
Very Detroit, to the point. Drinks. I thought that was Anthony Bourdain, but it's a tall woman. Stop eating all that damn salt. It's terrible for you. What do you got there?
And the Coney is not. I am.
You ready?
I'm ready. Here it goes.
Here we go. Oh. Better? Guess we'll find out.
Yes. And the fries are. Oh, yes. Fries are
I wish I didn't get mustard on them. Kind of kills the chili a little bit. Oh, I think Mom's got a clear-cut winner here. Got Layfette. I gotta take another bite. Hang on.
even their fries, where you tried fries. That was hot.
We're arguing right now. She likes their fries, these fries better. I like their fries better. These seem mushy and old. Theirs seem fresh out of the fire. She likes that. I have to agree, the hot dogs without the pop, with the thin skin, with the thick skin. These are better hot dogs.
I like the chili better.
I can't really taste the chili because I got a lot of mustard on mine.
Take some more.
I think I like the chili better. I think the dogs are better here. So I'm gonna eat the rest of this one.
Water is better.
She likes the water better too, and they're from the same hose out back in the alley. Don't you wish you were me? Should I get a 8 by 10 of me?
Don't know what they'd do with it if you did. But
Autograph it for him. I'll just be on the wall like this. The French fry hanging in my mouth.
I think you should be on TV.
Should be. I am right now.
I think you should have made all the Brendan Fraser movies, and you should be on Man vs. Food.
I don't know how to take that.
Very good.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
We have our Lafayette versus American Coney dog.
Okay.
Your pick and your winner and why.
American Coney dog is much more impressive and they're much more marketable. But as far as the food is concerned, no. Didn't like the water, didn't like the fries. Hamburger felt like it was very, very overcooked. As far as Lafayette Coney Island is concerned, yes! Best Coney ever!
Okay. I have to agree, even though her fries were mushy at Lafayette, the American fries, what are you doing? I don't know, they're fixing stuff. Anyway, Lafayette wins. But nobody spoke English and they didn't take credit cards at Lafayette, that's the only thing. And the fries
Yeah,
are
we would have
mushy.
been in trouble. We'd have been doing dishes.
Thankfully, Mom has money.
Thankfully, Linda had money.
Okay, Lafayette wins.